Spoken English conversation. Subscribe please.
V1 base form nationalize. V2 past form nationalized. V3 past participle nationalized. V4 present par, nationalizing. V5 SES nationalizes. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb nationalize? Answer. The base form of the verb nationalize is nationalize. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb nationalize? Answer. The past form of the verb nationalize is nationalized. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb nationalize? Answer. The past participle of the verb nationalize is nationalized. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb nationalize? Answer. The present participle of the verb nationalize is nationalizing. Question 5. What is the third person singular SES of the verb nationalize? Answer. The third person singular SES of the verb nationalize is nationalizes.
Verb forms. Example sentences.
V1 They decided to nationalize the industry to protect local interests. V2 The government nationalized the banks during the economic crisis. V3 Many key sectors were nationalized in the early 20th century. V4 The government is currently nationalizing certain strategic assets. V5 She strongly believes that the government nationalizes to many businesses.
Subscribe my channel.